Hi, I'm Dr. Christopher Ramsey from Jupiter, Florida, which is in northern Palm Beach County. So I want to talk to you about a couple things. A lot of people know that I love the subject of body language, and so a lot of times they're looking for quick little tips, things that before they get into reading as many books and novels as I have on the subject, just simple things. What's something you could easily tell me? And I say, well, first thing I want you to understand is how the brain works, and something simple like the concept of threes. In my lecture, I talk about the concept of threes and the importance of that. Now, 3 is an interesting number because your brain actually does really well with threes. To give you a background, people will often say to me, how many options should I give a patient when it comes to treatment care? And I say, the ideal number is 3. If you want to offer those 3 things, don't offer 4, don't offer 2. Why does 3 work? Because our brain has always done very well with the concept of threes. In an all-day lecture, I go over in its entirety why 3 works. But to give you a quick example, if you go back to when you were a child, think of the books that we read. 3 Little Pigs, 3 Musketeers. When you rub Aladdin's lamp, you got 3 wishes. When you sit down to eat, you have 3 utensils. The Olympics were 3 medals. The Greeks knew this because they were the foundation for Thomas Jefferson, who wrote our Declaration of Independence, who did it on 3 concepts: life, liberty, and happiness. And so when you look throughout our entire lives, the concept of threes is extremely important. So when I'm talking to a patient, I will often go over and say, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, you're about to lose this lower left tooth. Let me tell you the 3 options that you have. Now, legally in the state of Florida, I need to tell you all your options, but I don't provide all those options. Let me tell you the best 3. Obviously, I'm going to start with the best one, maybe implant dentistry. And if you choose not to do that, let me tell you the next option, but you need to understand there are 3 compromises. If I give them 4 or 5, they're going to forget. So I tell you this is option 1, option 2, option 3. If you choose option 2, let me tell you the 3 compromises you're going to make. And if you take option 3, there's an additional 3 options that you need to be aware of that are considered compromises. Beyond option 3, I can no longer compromise. So it's a quick way of understanding that it's easy for you to remember, it's easy for your patient to remember. So look into the concepts of 3, because 3 plays a very important role in the subconscious and nonverbal communication.